Hey everyone, it's Rocky. It's Friday, November 27th, 2020. It's about 3:55 p.m. and it is the end of our challenge for the Thanksgiving week where we started on Sunday and our goal was to earn a net profit of $500. And I'd like to say that, we have reached that goal and we have exceeded it and we are ending the week with a net profit of $1,483.53. So I'm quite happy about that. And then for today, basically the market was only open for half a day. And then last night, I was actually surprised that the market was open after 3 p.m., which makes sense with Asia and Europe market being open. So I did some trading there. And from the trading last night and just one this morning, we had a net profit of $230.70. So what I just wanted to show you here, just a quick high-level summary on the trades we did last night and today. One of it is actually posted on my live trading video, so please check out the checklist. And all right, let's go through that one. So the first trade that we did right here was a long position, and I normally, I start my trade by drawing a vertical line, light blue line when I start a trade, and when I close a trade, if it's a long position, I put an orange line. And with this one, the reason I entered was I could see that the MACD was diverging. And it was for the next 15 minutes. So these are 5-minute with candles. The problem with this one though is I wasn't paying attention, and I actually had quite a bit of drawdown. It went down a lot here. So I got in at 29,760, got down to about 29,696. But I decided to average down on this candle here because when I was looking at the corresponding tick chart on the right here, basically the reason I entered was because I could see that it was heading up. Like there was a rejection here on the RSI on it being oversold, and I was seeing it trending back up. So I had some confidence to average down. But this was a trade that started at 5:30 p.m. ended at about 9:10, which took a long time. But like what I mentioned on my live trading video, I wasn't watching the whole time. Something that I do in the evening is, I'm doing other things. It's just a trade that I do on the background, and I like it in the evening because it's very slow, so it's more predictable-ish. But as you can tell, a lot of bad things can happen. So if you're starting up, please don't do that. Pay attention to your trades when you're doing it. Okay, so that was our first trade. And then our second trade here was at about 9:45 p.m. And basically, again, it's a long position. Let me zoom in on that. So it's another long position. If you look at the MACD, it started diverging here. And yes, we are above zero. And the stochastic RSI is also trending up. So a lot of buying happening. And what was great about this was once I hit my net profit, I did 2 OCOs. So I started with 8 contracts. I did an OCO with 4 contracts and another OCO with 4 contracts. And basically what I do sometimes when I'm already at a good net profit, I do 2 OCOs with essentially basically excuse me, doing a different trailing stop on the stop loss side. So the first one I was stopped out rather quickly, but the second one it lasted a bit longer. To a point that I actually adjusted my OCO to something closer because I just wanted to get out of the trade and end the evening itself. So yep, that was another pot. We had a net gain on that trade. And our last trade was this morning. Zoom in on that one. So market ended actually right here at about, what time was that? 10:15. So this is a 10:10 candle. So 10:15 in the morning is when the market closed. But we did a trade here at about 7:10 in the morning. Let me zoom in a bit. And we shorted on this position. And the reason we shorted was because the MACD just crossed below the 0 line and it is diverging. And I was on the oversold area. So yeah, got in at 29,900 and got out at 29,869 with 4 contracts. So there's 3 trades from last night and this morning got me a net profit of $230.70. So again, this video is mostly an account statement review. So let's jump to that because that to me is what shows you the proof, I guess. Proof to the pudding here. Basically, we ended the day at $10,660. Let's put that in here. $10,660.02, and we started the day up here at $10,429.32, and that's where I came up with the net profit of $230.70. So net profit means it's after you've subtracted what we're paying for commissions and fees. So with Thinkorswim, roughly one contract back and forth is about $5. But if you wanted to see exactly how much that costs, it's really commissions is $2.25 one way with a 22 cents fee one way. So that's, $2.25 plus 22 cents is $2.47. So times 2, that's about $4.94. Hopefully my math was right there. But anyway, that's why I just say it's $5 for back and forth on one contract. Okay, so our goal this week again was to end the week with a net profit of $500, and we did succeed by having a net profit of $1,483.53. I just wanted to show you the math for that. So basically, as you can see in the bottom here, November 27th, over their last trade, we ended at $10,660.02, and let's subtract what we started with on Sunday, November 22nd, and that was $9,176.49. And as you can see here, that's where we came up with a net profit of $1,483.53. So that's a nice net profit given that it's Thanksgiving week. We didn't have trading on Thursday, and a lot slower today, Friday half day. And then let's just assume, what is that equivalent to a W-2 or an hourly job? Let's say you work 40 hours a week and this is your gross pay. Let's subtract that by 40 hours, and that's equivalent to about $37 an hour. So that's not bad. That's really not bad. And anyway, hopefully what I'm showing here is that it is very possible to do this as a full-time gig. But to beginners out there, what I can tell you is take your time, don't rush, because micro futures is a little different from those videos you'd see of people, making those huge wins from volatilities from penny stocks. This trading micro futures is nowhere close to what those people are doing. But anyway, hope you enjoyed that video. I have another challenge that I'll be doing next week. It'll be pretty exciting, so please subscribe and be on the lookout for those videos. And again, this is just for entertainment purposes only. My goal really by doing this is it keeps me accountable. It helps me learn better because, the best way to learn is the ability to be able to explain it and teach it to others. So that's why I'm doing it. But also, I've picked up a hobby of video editing with DaVinci Resolve. So doing these, it's helping me improve on that aspect a bit also. And again, my goal is, to learn from others to see, what comments or basically suggestions they may have that could improve my trading. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you again next time. See ya.